keep bringing stuff out. Todd, how much you want on these two things? That's cool. Morning.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
All right, all right.
Okay.
I really patio because they're heavy. $1 a piece on those.
How you doing this morning?
Good.
How much is this?
The whole box.
Yeah.
The white Todd. That one's his. That's my son's.
Oh, okay.
He'll be right back.
Yeah, that's fine.
You'll be sold out when see it. That's good though.
Yeah.
Minion. Build a minion.
How much do you want for your box of Legos? The one with the airplane in it? Huh?
$10?
And the container?
Yeah, I'll do $10 for that. Let me keep looking though.
You want to set it to the side?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, my mother was right. Those are Legos too. They're separate.
Yeah. All types of Lego goodies, huh?
Yes. I tell you, I would do 30 for you. Take the whole box and everything.
30? Would you do 20 on it?
Sure.
Okay. You want it gone?
Yes, I do. And there's a lot of things. Oh, let me go ahead and I mean, there's one side with peoples and stuff.
Yeah, here's 20.
Okay, 20. Let
And
me
I'll
go.
give, you want me to give him the 10 for this?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Big collection of Lego.
Can you do 15 on a chair or no?
I can.
Okay. I'll take the chair too.
Hey. Your $10. Thanks, man.
Now, you were the ones that got the Lego, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Take these boxes.
Okay.
If you lift that up, I can maybe fit them in
All
there.
right, yeah, cool. Oh yeah, that's nice. Kenza holds them all.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. I got quite a collection of Legos now.
Yes, you do.
Thank you.
How about how much is your... If you pull your car up around a little bit,
Okay.
no. Is yours? No, that's. I think somebody's getting this stuff. I think he's making the practice thing. Yeah, that's my stuff. Drop this table.
Camping chair.
Got those 4 chairs. Goes with it.
Yeah. Someone buying this stack already?
Yes, this little lady.
Okay.
You put that out. Look back, you got one brand new. And
Oh,
you
nice.
can open it.
I remember this game, Pie Face.
Yeah.
How much are your cards over there?
There you go. That looks very like an airplane door.
Oh yeah, cool.
I was learning that because this guy downstairs some paper.
What were you saying?
How much are your cards?
Pokemon?
Yeah.
$5.
Are they older or newer?
I think they're older. Let me check them out first. There may be
Yeah.
some good ones in there.
Yeah, I'd do $5. They're older. That does look like an airplane door. I bought like a giant stack of Legos over there.
Nice.
For $5? All the Minecraft stuff fell out. This actually would be kind of cool for my daughter. I should ask him how much. She's really addicted to Minecraft right now.
There's probably a lot of Minecraft, as ours used to be. But now it's just a few.
Might be. What is it's like a little laptop thingy?
Come back anytime.
That's cool. Doc Hudson.
You need to.
Whose were these?
Those are the little my
Todd-
sons.
Todd's?
Todd's,
Is this a new box or this is a sold
This
box?
is a new box. I was going to say. This is not little cars. These are all Playmobil sets. You know, and all the animals, Playmobiles and animals. There's a log cabin. There's
How much you want for the whole box?
20.
Yeah, look at those other
See,
cars
those
you
are the
got.
horses and the other things. Here's more people.
Okay. That's a Lincoln log.
Keep bringing stuff out. Todd, how much you want on these two things?
Oh, just $2.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
My giant pile.
Oh, that's your box.
Yeah,
You
that's my
got
pile.
your-
That's my junk pile.
I don't know
Here's
what's
$2.
in here. Let's see. Some.
How much is the Lego table? $5?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I guess. That's for the little Hess truck. I got some Hess stuff too. For that.
That's $5. And I've got like the world's best Lego collection here. I'm pretty excited.
No doubt.
Yeah,
Hours of
yeah.
I got some more wood maybe later.
Ooh, a wand.
Yes, sir. Sale. What size? They're 15 inch. Let's see.
Wait. Troopers. Yeah, China. Mushroom. This is my pile of goodies.
Oh, okay.
I just can't get my truck over here.
Okay, so I saw pictures of fire engines and
Oh,
ambulances.
I don't know. Todd, the guy with the Carhartt jacket, seems to be pulling out all those toys, so he might. Yeah.
Thank you. But look at this. This is awfully cute too.
Yeah,
You don't
yeah.
see
I
anything
just don't
like
know
that
how to.
anymore.
I'm scared if I go to load some up, the rest is going to disappear. So I'm trying to figure out how to
set up. There you go.
how to take the stuff I bought. Hey everyone, thanks for coming to that crazy yard sale with me. That yard sale was in the bitter cold, in the middle of the winter, and every picker in town showed up to it. So it was a battle to get anything, to the point where I was probably making bad life choices just because I wanted to buy stuff because there were so few yard sales. So I was probably overpaying for some stuff, but basically I got a ton of Legos. Legos are not something I normally buy. They're worth money, but they do require a lot of effort where you have to like make sure you have all the pieces. And these were just a jumble, you know, just piles and piles of Legos. I'm not sure what's complete or incomplete, and I don't know that I want to spend the time figuring it out. So my thought with these is probably going to be just put them in Ziploc bags, you know, 2-gallon Ziploc bags, you know, and just sell them in lots. I mean, and this looks good, right? They're in a sealed thing, they have the instructions, but then you take it apart and try to build it, and it's missing a ton of pieces. So I tried a couple of them. I'm giving up. I'm to the point now where I'm just gonna bag them up and sell them for 20 bucks a bag, 15 bucks a bag, locally and on eBay. That also came with some Connects. I don't know what those are worth, but came with those. And these old Lego boxes. This red one here looks like it's worth, you know, $10 to $15 separately, so I'll just sell that on its own. Also bought this table. This table looks like it sells for 20 to 30 on eBay. I might list it local for 15 to 20. So, you know, the theme is a lot of local listings from this sale, which I'm not super excited about, but, you know, can't win them all. I do like kind of the fun of listing it on eBay, actually. That is, I'm one of the rare sellers who enjoys listing. I think it's because, like, I can sit down, watch TV, and list and not feel like I'm being lazy. Like, I know I'm doing something. It's a weird psychological thing. Oh, another cool find I got at the sale was this little baggie of Pokemon cards. And this is another category I'm still kind of learning. But, you know, this one's from 2014. When I pulled it open at the sale, I found one from, like, 2002 and one from 2008. And so I, you know, said, yeah, I'm going to grab that. So, what's this one? Whole Chula. This is one of the ones I saw. But yeah, I've gone through a lot of ones that look valuable. And I pulled out, I think, 3 or 4 that have some good value. One of them, Moltres, I think it was from 2008 or 2004, sold already for $30. Plus, the guy paid $20 shipping to Europe, I think. So, $30 for one card. Anything else is gravy. I think I comped at least one more in the 20s or 30s, and then 2 at like 10 bucks. And then the rest, maybe a lot together. I haven't looked through them all yet, but the rest I'm going to probably lot together. What did I learn about Pokemon? What's my takeaway? My takeaway is they're worth money, especially if you know what you're looking for. And I got lucky. I would say that, you know, for $5 for a bag of them that look fairly old, it's probably worth a gamble. But, you know, I went to this other yard sale and the guy was asking $1 per card. I'm not taking that gamble. I just don't know. So, you know, you kind of weigh the risk when you're doing something that's a category you're not used to. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and check me out next time. Bye-bye.